I'm Vanessa Rock, the girl on a bike, and it's time for the first ride on the Honda CRF 450 RX. Let's do this. Oh my god, that was such an unsmooth stop. Oh my goodness. Tight, slippy, westward on a rally bike. Oh god. Come on! I really struggle with the clutch because there's no room for my fingers, so I have to be like this and then I just can't hold the bike. Gotta get used to it. That was cool. That is my happy dance because that was amazing. This bike is just an incredible weapon. So we've been riding for a few hours. My shoulder's feeling really good. So anyone doesn't know, had a bit of shoulder injury, so I haven't ridden a bike for 7 weeks. This is my rally bike for Rally du Maroc, which I have in a couple of weeks' time, and it's my first shakedown ride. Absolute animal of a bike, so I felt really intimidated. I cannot reach the ground. I'm a long way off reaching the ground on both sides, so that makes it a little bit more intimidating, but I've settled into it and I think we're going to be friends and have a really good time. I'm now very excited about Morocco. So what have I done to my CRF 450 RX to get it rally ready? Not much. So if you've got one, you can get it rally ready pretty easily. So I am going to be changing the tyres and putting mousses on. I'm currently running tubes, but I've just got any tyres on for training. Got Acerbis protection to give it a bit of protection. We have KTech suspension front and back. Now that is tuned for my body weight, so much better ride for me. I've got the rear tail light, which is essential, required for Rally du Maroc. We have all of the roadbook sat up on there, which includes some of the antennas and mounts. So if I spin round, we can see here I've got my reader for the roadbook scroll. I've got an ICO. I'm going to have a second ICO here, but it's not arrived in the post yet. You've got your TRF, which is the essential, your master GPS that the organisers make you have. my Sentinel horn, which is for alarming me. It links to that master GPS, so if collision avoidance, if they need to talk to you, that's kind of all on there. You've got your controls for stuff. I've got headlight I had to put on wire, and other than that, my graphics are obviously on there. Other than that, that is an enduro cup rally bike. I'm going to be doing my first big rally, Rally du Maroc. I'm actually going to be doing a practice Desert Baja in Qatar slightly before. Having done a little shakedown, I'm really excited. I'm going to try and get as much time on the bike in the next few days as I can. But for a first ride on my CRF 450 RX, I'm absolutely buzzing. I am Vanessa, the girl on a bike. I really hope you want to comment below, let me know what you think, while I try not to fall over. Thanks so much for watching. Tick the bell, get notifications, and I'll see you next time.